With the Visitors Day coming up, I thought I would give an education moment on a good strategy for giving your 60-second presentation. And we wanted those 60-second presentations for the visitors when they're all here to be the best that we've given all year. And so I thought I'd go over a framework that I've learned, and I try to follow it, don't always succeed, but it's a very good framework for your 60-second presentation, and that is the PASTOR framework. So just like a pastor of a church, PASTOR stands for problem, amplify, solution, transformation, offer, and response. So PASTOR. So the problem, you want to identify the problem that your target customer is facing. And then for the amplify, you want to actually amplify that problem, make it seem a little bit bigger than you might think it is. Because in their mind, I guarantee you, in your client's mind, it's bigger than you think it is, since you already know the solution. So amplify it a little bit so that your sales team understands how big that problem is. And then give the solution for it, share a little success story or introduce your products as the solution. And then talk about the transformation. What will the client get after they apply the solution? What will that end result be? And then make an offer, and that's where you talk about how much it's going to cost, what the possibilities are that they could explore with you, and then ask for a response. That's the call to action. And so to give you an example, I decided I would go ahead and do one since I'm not there to give my 60-second today. I'd go ahead and go over this framework if I were doing it today there in the meeting. So to talk about the problem first, I met with two ladies last week who have had difficulty finding new clients. And so that's their problem. Their problem is that they had difficulty finding new clients. To amplify that, I'll go into a little more detail. They help elderly adults with large estates transition into assisted living communities. But they couldn't figure out who to target with their marketing and how best to communicate with them once they identified who to market to. So that's amplifying their problem, going a little more detail. And then now I'm going to talk about the solution. I sat down with them, I helped them work through a few possibilities until they realized their target market is actually the children, the adult children of their clients or their potential clients. And then I walked them through my 1-10-10 strategy for using Facebook without having to pay for the ads, and show them, how to reach those children on Facebook at very low cost to themselves. Okay, so that's the solution that I provided for them. And then the transformation. As I progressed through the training, their eyes just kept getting bigger and bigger. They kept saying, wow, this is amazing. They're things they had never heard of before. They were writing and taking notes furiously. By the end of the training, they had a clear plan of action. They knew what to do. They had a list of steps for how to proceed, and they were excited to get started and to grow their business. So that's their transformation. They came in worried, and then they left excited and eager to get on Facebook and put this into practice. Okay, so then if I were transitioning into the offer, I would say if you know someone looking to find some direction and results in their marketing, have them give me a call, reach out to me. I'd be happy to guide them down the same path that I helped these ladies down. For $250, they'll get a clear view of how to take their business to the next level and a clear set of action steps to follow in order to get there. Okay, so that's the offer. It's where I put out the amount that it's going to be, exactly what's being sold, what I would want you to mention to your clients. And then the response, so that's where I have a call to action. So if I were giving you a call to action, it would be take a moment today to think about business owners that you know who could benefit from this type of service. Then go ahead and reach out to them and set up a warm introduction for us. Okay, so that's the PASTOR method for giving a presentation, a marketing presentation. So it's problem, and then amplify the problem, and then talk about the solution, then the transformation, then the offer, and then the response, PASTOR. And I'll try to type up a handout for this and send it to everyone in the group me. So, thank you very much.